friends. This is my fusion, my honeydew melon pineapple celery. I am Winston Joe, Cooking 832 on the YouTube platform. This is my short to my upcoming premiere on the 832 on the YouTube platform. Yes. This is my cucumber, pineapple, honeydew. These things left is no big melon, so use 3/4 of it. Thank you for watching. Please like and share. See you on the next one.